I'm back once again to slay a day. So if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below because I slay and I would love for you to join me. Now y'all, today we're doing big things, feel me? First of all, hold up y'all, let's take a moment to acknowledge my wig, okay? This is the first wig that I successfully made by myself, which I am rocking for you today. Yes, bomb, I know, thanks sis. But I'm moving on. I'm on to bigger and better things, okay? I already bought me some bundles here and I'm ready to make my next wig. So this hair I got from an Aliexpress company called QT Hair. I know Aliexpress got a bad rap when it comes to their hair, but listen, I did my research, y'all. I saw a couple of YouTube reviews. I saw they had over 1,500 orders and there was a lot of good reviews with pictures included, okay y'all? So I didn't just blindly pick this company, alright? Now, if y'all know me, I'm all about beauty on a budget, okay? So this hair cost me $116 with tax, and that is not bad for 3 bundles and a closure. This is their Brazilian deep wave, and I got it in the inches 18, 20, and 22 with the 16-inch closers. I ordered this hair 6 days ago on a Tuesday, and I received it on a Monday. So it took less than a week to get here from China, which is pretty good. So inside we have my 3 bundles. The hair also came with a wig cap, some eyelashes, as well as a care card, which is nice. So here is the 18 straight out of the pack. Ooh, look at that luster. It is a nice natural brown. It is so soft, guys. Oh my gosh, look. And this hair is deep wave, not one tangle, no shedding. And the curl pattern, look at these curls, they are so cute. I'm surprised that there aren't any tangles. I've probably just been wearing synthetic hair too long because I'm like shocked that there's no tangles. But it's soft, it's like butter, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking soft. I'm not getting any shedding whatsoever. Look at these wefts, oh my gosh. Look how thick these wefts are. Yes, please. I've been the girl who spent hundreds of dollars on the most expensive hair possible and the wefts were so skimp. I know the struggle, sis, and these wefts are super healthy. I love it, super duper healthy. I love how much hair they included on the bundle. Yes. And look at that curl pattern. These curls are so cute. So the 18-inch will be approximately up here because it's going to be the highest bundle I have. So, and that is pretty true to length. Yeah, that's true to length. Yeah, so the 20 will be installed approximately right here, and it falls just by my breast. I'm short, so hair is always longer on me, which is, you know, probably the only benefit to being 5'1". This 22 will be installed down here, approximately. Ooh, this is long. I don't know if you guys can see how long this is. Don't mind my waist trainer, y'all. I'm trying to get my body right for my birthday. But this is going to be so long on me. Yes. Stretched, it's touching my hip. So y'all know what that means. I'm gonna be a baddie on a budget. Yes. So let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah. This is a 16-inch closure. It's a pretty standard closure. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I won't know about this closure until I install it, but it looks a little sparse to me. I don't know, am I wilding y'all, or does this closure look a little sparse? Like, I feel like it'll bald very easily, but I don't know, guys. I won't know for sure until I get this hair installed. This is a free part closure though, so I can, when I do install it, I'll be able to part it wherever I want, which I love. Yeah, but it's a pretty standard closure. I think it'll definitely do the trick. And before I wash it, I'm gonna try and detangle it as much as possible. And I will be putting a link to this hair in in the description box below if you are interested in buying this hair. Cause sis, you won't have to get you some. Look at this curl pattern. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna wet it. Okay, yes. Loving it. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys. I am in love. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Shea Moisture. Go ahead and give it a quick rinse. Okay, then we're gonna take my Moroccan Argan Oil Conditioner. Just add a little dollop, not too much, not too. Okay, that was a lot, y'all. Just enough to give this hair the life that it needs. This hair is beautiful, guys. Look at this hair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so now that I've let them condition for a bit, I'm going to wash the conditioner out and let them air dry. BRB. Well, it's been a couple hours, guys, but the hair is just about dry, and oh my gosh, look at these luscious curls. Curls for the girls or not. I cannot wait to turn this hair into a wig. Beautiful, magnificent. These curls, they're amazing. And it's all the way to the ends. It's nice, thick, and healthy and full. It's so soft. No tangles. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm loving this hair. Yes. So QT hair for the win, ladies. If you haven't yet, be sure to check this hair out. I'll be leaving a link to this hair in the description box below. They have all the different textures that you want and need. This is one that simply worked the best for my birthday because I need something that says, bitch, it's my B-Day, or Z-Day as I should say. Here's a little preview, guys. Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it. Hold on. In next week's video, you can expect to see the completed wig as well as a mini birthday haul. I'm so happy that I went with this pattern, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the finished product. So if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.